Hey guys, welcome back to another solution video. This video is about GSP519 prompt design in Vertex AI. That is a challenge lab which is very tough. So let's make it easy. Copy the password after starting the lab. Copy your password. Right click on this. Open it in new private window. Hit next. Paste your password. Let's get back to the instructions. Let's read the challenge scenario. Once you're done reading the challenge scenario, go to task number 1. Save this image on your computer. I'll name it as first image. Now what it says is use Vertex AI Studio's freeform interface with the Gemini 1.5 Pro model to analyze symbol direct product image, which is this image. So let's come over here, type Vertex, click on the first thing, Vertex AI, go to the workbench, go to the overview, open freeform, click this button, open freeform. Now we have to put this image as an input. So we'll insert media, upload the image from your computer. I had saved this image on desktop, so I'll upload this image, which is already there. So we don't need it 2 times. So we'll remove this. Now just come back to the instructions and copy this and paste it over here and hit this button. It gives us a response. So now it says, I mean, we missed this out. So we'll be changing the model. So as you can see, it is 1.5 flash. So change it to Gemini 1.5 Pro 001. Now let's hit the prompt again. As you can see, it has given us a response. Clear this, copy the second phrase and paste it over here. Hit this button and then wait for the response. We got another response. So let it complete. Again, let's clear it. Get back over here, copy the third phrase and then paste it over here. Hit this button. Again, we got a nice response. Let it complete. It's done. Come back here. It says evaluate and iterate. You can change your prompts. These are just examples. Now we need to name our prompt with this name. Copy this. Come back over here. Paste it like this. Now we need to save our prompt in this particular region. So you can have any specific region. So copy your region and cross verify it. So as you can see, it's already in this region. So I'll click on save. Again, I'll make sure the regions are properly matching. Now I'll hit save. It takes some time to save, so please wait. As you can see now, the prompt is properly saved. So we can check your. You can click on this check my progress, and it says assessment completed. Let's verify it from over here. Okay, it's done. Let's get back to the task number 2. It says build a tagline generator using this Gemini model. So yes, let's come back to the step number 1. Click on this free form. Click on overview and then free form. So yeah, copy the steps. I mean, follow me. Choose this model. Choose again the Gemini 1.5 Pro 001 model, and then copy this code. Click on this edit, and then paste the copied code over here. Hit on apply. We have copied this and put this particular code in. This is not a code. This is just a context, and we have put it in the system instructions part via this button, and then paste it over here. Hit on apply. Pretty clear. Then copy this thing. Come back. Add examples and add an input over here. Copy this. Come over here. Paste it over here. Then again, copy the same thing. You can have your own, but you can also copy the same thing again and again. You can have your own examples, but I'll go with the same inputs and same outputs just for the simplicity. So not making it complicated for you guys. So now I'll copy this. I'll copy the entire thing. The first phrase. Copy this. Come over here. No, this is not the thing. You need to put it over here. So yes, hit on this button. You'll get an output. Let it get completed. Now when it's done, clear this. Now copy this. Paste it over here. Hit this button. So it gives us a nice output. Cut it and then copy this. Paste it over here. Let it get completed. It's done. Now copy this thing and name your tagline generator template and check the regions. The region is US Central 1. Perfect. Now hit on save. Again, I'm saying it takes a lot of time for the prompt to be saved. So please wait. Sometimes it instantly gets saved. I think it's saved right now. Yeah, it's done. So let's check our progress. It's done. Task number 2 is also done. Let's get back to the task number 3. Now what you need to do is come to this workbench area. Open this thing. Click on this Open Jupyter Lab. Come back over here. Copy this thing, image analysis part. Don't copy this .ipnb. Get back to the console, let it load. Now click on this Python 3 local, rename this file with the text you just copied, image analysis.ipnb. Click on this cell, and then it says from the Vertex AI Studio, you have to go back to the saved prompts and go with the saved prompt from task number 1, that is symbol product analysis, which we just saved. So follow me, guys. Come back over here and click on overview. Click on prompt management. As you can see, this was the first task. So click on symbol product analysis. That is this symbol product analysis prompt, which we just saved in task number 1. Let it load. As you can see, this was the image analysis part. Click on this get code. Copy this part, the first part. Copy this. Come back to the console. Into this notebook area. Paste it over here. Clear this out. And as this is a cell, this is a cell in a Jupyter notebook. So we need to add an exclamation mark over here, and then click on this button. So it is just upgrading the AI platform, and it's getting all the dependencies. So it's done. Come back over here. Now come back over here, and then copy this thing. Copy this code and come back to the notebook. Paste it over here. It's done. Now what we need to do is we have to change this part. We have to change this part. Copy this. Paste it over here, and then click this button. Wait for it to load. Come back to this instruction. Copy this. Click enter, or rather you can click on this button. It's running. It says the kernel status is busy. Now, as you can see, the prompt is properly given out, and you can also see the output. So we just change this particular prompt. So let's get back to the instructions and check your progress. As you can see, task number 3 is also done. It's verified from over here. While it's getting done, we can proceed with the task number 4. So we need to follow the same thing again, but in this scenario, we are going to implement it with the tagline generator, which we did in the task number 2. So as you can see, task number 3 is also done. So come back. You can close this. I mean, let it be like that. Don't close it. You can come back over here and come to the prompt management. Keep this open, symbol tagline generator. So this was the tagline generator which we just implemented in task number 2. So come back over here and click on this button. Now click on this Python 3 local and then rename this file with what? With this name, tagline generator. Rename, paste, hit enter. We can close this. Now come back over here. Copy this code. Paste it over here. Now we need to make changes in this inputs and outputs. So follow me. Now what we need to do is come back to this example file part and then copy this. Paste it over here. Paste it over here. Copy the output as well. Paste it over here. The same thing can be repeated. You can add your own examples. Now you can have a new input. I'll write tagline including natural environment. You can follow the same thing. You can follow the same thing as well. Now you can click on this button. That's it. You get the output. Come back to the instructions page, and then it says please run the code cells for tagline of word nature and verify that code exits successfully. Okay, let's do that as well. So let's modify this, including the word nature. So let's run it again. It now includes the word nature as well. Now let's check it. Now let's wait for some time. We can write the same thing for a backpack. It says carry the call of nature. Now let's check it once again. It should be reflected over here as it says wait for a couple of minutes because it takes some time to reflect the changes from here to here. So we can save this file. As you can see now, it is reflecting the progress. So please wait for some times because it may happen that you won't get the progress over here instantly. So that's it, guys. This is the solution for GSP 519 from Design Vertex AI Challenge Lab. So verify it over here as well. Once you get the 100 on 100 over here, as you can see, I've got the 100 on 100 over here. You can safely end the lab and you can verify it from over here. Refresh the page after you end the lab. There's a green tick over here. That's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.